guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I decided to do something a little bit different. I decided to try a few DIYs that I saw online. I tried 3 of them. 2 of them I saw from a previous channel. I believe it's called Glue Guns and Roses, so definitely you can go ahead and check them out as well. I wanted to see just how easy and fun it was to actually try to do these DIYs and to see if it was actually something that was possible to do. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to like and comment below. Let me know which ones were your favorite DIYs. I want to thank all of those who already are subscribed. Thank you so much for supporting my little channel. And if you haven't, don't forget to ring the bell so that you are notified whenever I get new content. So without further ado, here are the 3 DIYs that I decided to try, and I hope you like them.
For our first project, we are going to do a spear or an orb, and I picked up these wreath makers from the Dollar Tree. I'm only going to use the bottom smallest wire, so we'll go ahead and pull this apart. Next, you want to go ahead and pull off these little rings with a wire cutters or any other tool that you may have accessible to you. When that's all set, next you want to pick up one of these decorative Nautica ropes that I picked up as well from the Dollar Tree, and what we're going to do is we're just going to unwind it. That will give us 4 separate cords. I'm going to use my glue gun here on the highest temperature. This one goes from 60 to 100 watts. As you can see, here is my unwind rope. And I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my rope around each separate hoop. We're going to start by adding hot glue to the wire and then wrapping around our cord. Once you reach the end, you want to go ahead and cut off the excess and then glue it down. Once you're all done with that, you're going to want to go ahead and clean up around the edges, and with that you can use a lighter or matches. Once all 3 of your rings are completed, you're going to want to start building your orb or your spear. First, making it into an X, and then sliding the 3rd ring in the middle of both the other rings. Once you've accomplished your desired look, you want to go ahead and glue where all the rings meet each other. Here's the finished product. I absolutely love how it came out. Here I have this bottle. You can use any bottle you have available and any different sizes you have. This one was already white, but if you like, you can spray paint your bottle white or any other desired color. I actually like that the top is not fully completed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add the jute twine to the bottom of our bottle. I picked up this natural jute cord from the Dollar Tree as well. This is what we're going to use to wrap our bottle starting from the bottom. I'm going to bring it up about up to here. That's as far as I want to go. You start by hot gluing all the way around the bottom. Be careful, the glue is really hot. I can't tell you how many times I burned myself. Continue wrapping the cord and glue every so often as you go. Once you get to the end, you want to find the back of the bottle where you started and cut your cord there. And here's your finished bottle. I think it came out pretty good. For this next project, I picked up 2 bath mats from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to convert them into pillows. So you want to start off by removing the edges of the short sides on both bath mats. So the bottom of your bath mat is going to be the top, because it's going to be what the pillow looks like on the outside. So one of your mats is going to be facing the normal way, the other one is going to be facing down, and you want to fold in the edges. And with your hot glue gun, today we'll be using hot glue, you will just hot glue each pieces together. Now you want to make sure that you add enough glue to your edge. So be generous with the glue. Make sure you put enough. And the trick to this is you want to make sure that the glue dries completely before moving on. This will ensure that the 2 pieces will not come undone. Once you're done with both edges, you'll see that it is pretty well stuck on there. You can pull each side. Next, we're going to stitch our bottom. We're just going to take this jute cord and do what we call a blanket stitching. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to pull up from the bottom, out from the top, and go in through the loop and so on. Once you finish with your stitch, you want to cut off the edges. And here you have your simple blanket stitch. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and fill your pillow. You can use it with any pillow filling that you have. I just had this green pillow filling lying around, so I'm going to fill my pillow with this. Once you're all done filling your pillow to as fluffy that you want it, then you will go ahead and blanket stitch the other side. And here is the pillow all stitched up, all done. You can leave the pillow as is, or you can add some tassels to the edges of them. So I decided to add a little bit of tassel on each 4 corners. And here I just have some regular white yarn that I got at Dollar Tree. You can pick it up at any fabric store as well. And this is what I'm going to be using to make my tassels. Making the tassels are pretty simple. You can just follow the steps that I'm doing here. Next, you want to attach your tassel to your pillow. I am just taking the yarn and sticking it right through the blanket stitch that I previously did. Cut off the ends to the size that you like. And continue on with the other tassels. Here's the finished look with the tassels. I think it looks amazing. You have the option of doing it with tassels or without, as you would see. Let me know in the comments below how you would have left it. Would you have done it with tassels or without? I want to know. I love how it came out. Please like, comment, and share, and thank you for watching.